So, dumako tayo sa exciting part. Second and third derivative of y is equal to x over square root of x minus 1. Good luck. Okay, pray mo na. Lord, gabayan niyo po kami. Okay, so y is your x over square root of x minus 1. To get this first derivative, hindi ka makakarating ng second kundi mo i-derive yan. So you have to have this is quotient rule, no? So bu prime minus ub prime over v squared. Okay, so alin ba dito ang iyong v? Ang v mo ay yung iyong exponent. Ay, sorry. Mali. X minus 1 raised to 1 half. Ipisa natin yung ano. Iilas ako ang taba ng ano kay. So, V is x minus 1 raised to 1 half. So, ano yung derivative niyan? That is 1 half times x minus 1 raised to negative 1 half times 1. Okay. And then, u is yung numerator, x. Derivative of u ay 1. Then, proceed with y prime. Y prime is v x minus 1 raised to 1 half by u prime 1 minus u I x v prime I 1 half of x minus 1 raised to negative 1 half. Denominator v squared. So x minus 1 1 half is squared. And then distribute para medyo mas umikli yung equation. Magiging y prime is equal to x minus 1 raised to 1 half times 1 lang. Minus 1 half x times x raised to negative 1 half over itong medyo pag dinistribute ko yung x raised to 1 half raised to 2, so nawawala din yung 1 half. So, magiging 2 times 1 half or 1. So, exponent na lang nito ay nag-iisa. And then, pwede ko din siyang i-rewrite as ikli natin hanggat maaari kasi pag sobrang haba ng equation mo, nakakalito, diba? Lalo pat magkukuha ka din naman ng additional na mga derivative na mas matataas. So, hanggat maaari, i-simplify mo na. So, 1 over 2 of x. Sige, pwede pala x na lang. So, x over 2 times x minus 1 raised to 1 half all over x minus 1. Then, kapag improper fraction, pwede mo siyang gawing common denominator yung dalawa. So, x minus 1 raised to 1 half. So, pag nag-divide ako, dapat meron din ako sa taas. So, x minus 1, 1 half, minus, ito naman, x, ano pa ba? X over 2. Yan lang. No? Tapos, dagdag ko na rin yung nasa ibaba na x minus 1. Para diretso na. Yan. So, meron ka ng gantong equation. Now, distribute. Ang 1 half na exponent, dagdagan ko ng another 1 half. So, 1 na lang ang kanyang lalabas. So, x minus 1 times x minus 1 raised to 1 half. Mawala na pala to. So, as 1 na lang yan. Minus x over 2 times 1 half plus 1 whole. So, 3 halves. 1 raised to 3 over 2. And simplify, x minus x ay 0. So, negative 1 over 2 ng x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2. Or may nalimutan ako. Oh no. Wala naman na. Mali. Binaba ko kasi pala to agad. Dapat 2. May 2 ako dito. So, 2 times x minus 1. Wait lang. Retrieve natin. Tama. 2 times 2x minus 2 minus x, or x minus x ay ilan yun? 1. So, x minus 2 over 2 times x minus 1. Okay, so that's the point number 1. Your y prime. And you have to find y double prime. Sabi sa'yo, ulit-ulit lang talaga to. So, y double prime ay like this. Paano ko dito ipapan? Susulat ko dito sa kabila. Y double prime of x minus 2 over 2 times x minus 1. Huwag natin kakalimutan yung exponent. 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So, x minus 2 over 2 times x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2. Ang first derivative. So, balik tayo kay second derivative. So, raised to 3 over 2. Yan. Tuloy ang laban. So, y double prime is ano din to ulit? Quotient rule. U saka V. Then, ang V ay 2 times x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2. Ang U ay x minus 2. So, unahin ko to, yung derivative. So, 1. Ito namang V prime. So, this will become 2 times 3 over 2 ng x minus 1 raised to, ilan ang 3 over 2 minus 1? 1/2. So, raised to 1 over 2. Okay, simplify. 3 times x minus 1 raised to 1/2 ang iyong v prime. Next. So, okay na yan. Proceed ka na sa y double prime ay vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Ang v mo ay 2 times x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2. Ang u prime ay 1 minus u x minus 2. Wait na. Yan. Ang v prime ay 3 times x minus 1 raised to 1 over 2. All over. V squared ay 2 times x minus 1. No? Hindi. Raised to 3 halves. E squared. Yan. Pwede na yan. Then, try to distribute as much as possible. Simplify. Magiging siyang 2 times x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2 minus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 1 raised to 1 over 2. Over 2 times 2 squared ay 4. X minus 1 3 over 2 raised to 2 ay magiging x minus 1. I think that is raised to 3 na lang. So, para masimplify pa natin. Ayan. Now, we also have common terms, x minus 1 and x minus 1. So, we have to combine that para di ka na sobrang haba ng pagdadaanan. Actually, mahabang yung pinagdadaanan natin. So, x minus 1 is, ano ba yung common term nila? Pwedeng sabihin na natin 3 over 2, no? I-factor out na natin. 2 minus 3 times x minus 2 times, ano ba ang factor ng, or 1/2 pala. Mali pala ako. Least common denominator, diba? So, I think this is 1/2. So, magiging siyang 2 times x minus 1 raised to, ilan ang 3/2 minus 1/2? So, 1. Ayan, okay na yan. Minus 3 times x minus 2. Ayan. Over 4 times x minus 1 cube. Okay. May 2 pa ba ako? Sana. Okay. Also, we have common terms. X minus 1 raised to 1/2 saka x minus 1 raised to 3. So, 1/2 minus 3, that is a negative 5/2 na exponent. So, ibababa ko na lang siya dito ng raised to 5/2 para nasa denominator na lahat. Tapos, i-distribute ko na to, magiging siyang 2x minus 2 minus 3x plus 6. And combining like terms, 2x minus 3x ay negative x. Negative 2 plus 6 ay positive 4. Over 4 times x minus 1 raised to 5/2. Or simply 4 minus x over 4 times x minus 1 raised to 5/2. And that is your second derivative. So, kahit pa paano may sagot ka na. Pagpatuloy mo lang sa pangatlong derivative. So, for the third derivative, y3 of, ano na ngayon, 4 minus x over 4 times x minus 1 raised to 5/2. Okay, so taking the third derivative. Okay, wait lang. So, quotient rule ulit. No? Ang u mo ay 4 minus x. So, derivative niyan ay negative 1. Ang v ko ay 4 times x minus 1 raised to 5 halves. Ang v derivative ko niyan ay 4 times 5/2 times x minus 1. Ilan ang 5/2 na nga? Minus 1. So, 3/2 raised to, ay multiplied by 1. So, okay na yan. Or simplify, 4 divided by 2 ay 2 times 5. So, 10 times x minus 1 raised to 3/2. Then, proceed with y. The third prime is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. V ko ay 4 times x minus 1 raised to 5/2. U prime ko ay negative 1. Minus u ko ay 4 minus x. V prime ay 10 times x minus 1 raised to 3/2 over v squared. 4 times x minus 1 5/2 square. And then, the rest is algebra. So, si algebra napapahirap sa atin. Igito negative 4 times x minus 1 raised to 5/2 minus 10 times x minus 1 raised to 3/2 times 4 minus x all over 4 times 4 ay 16. Tapos x minus 1 5/2 raised to 2 ay magiging 5 na lang. So, ganyan. And then, just like any other, combining tayo ng magkakaparehong term, which is ito, saka ito. Kasi meron kang factorable. Actually, ito din nga eh. Si 10 saka si 4, divisible siya by 2. pwede na din. Magiging siyang negative 2 times x minus 1 raised to 3 over 2 times, ano kaya ang factor nito? Bracket na lang. Bracket, hindi, 4 na pati. 2 dapat. So, 2 multiplied by, so ilan ang 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2? So, 1 din. Okay, so x minus 1 ang matitira. Then, minus 10. 10 divided by 2 ay 5. So, and then negative, positive na. So, plus 5. Plus 5 times 4 minus x. Over 16 times x minus 1 raised to 5. Okay, pwede pa siyang ito i-factor. So, 3 over 2 minus 5 ay negative 7 over 2. And negative 2 divided by 16 ay negative 1 over 8. So, simply negative 1 over 8 ng 6. Ay, hindi na pala 16 kasi dinivide ko na siya. So, 8 times x minus 1 raised to 7 over 2 ng ito, distribute ko lang, magiging siyang 2x minus 2 plus 20 minus 5x. And 2 minus 5 ay negative 3. Pwede siyang mag-negative times negative 3x. Tapos, negative 2 plus 20 ay positive 18 over 8 times x minus 1 raised to 7 over 2. Or, distribute natin tong negative sign para mabaliktad yung operation. So, 3x minus 18 over 8 times x minus 1 raised to 7 over 2. Or, pwede din natin siyang i-simplify kasi divisible pa ng 3 ang 18, di ba? So, magiging siyang 3 times x minus or plus or minus 6. At yan na yung sagot for your third derivative. Ay, sorry. This is the sagot. Grabe yung pinagdaanan mo.